YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy natejustdope, back into the video in JD Nation with Zam with it, man. You're watching Nate's Closet, and today's video, y'all can see by the title, man. Look, we got an unboxing, bro. Yes, I've been waiting, bro. For 3 weeks, actually. 3 weeks, man. Bro, I ordered these literally on my birthday, which was November 28th. Y'all heard me talk about this purchase that I made on my birthday for a birthday gift to myself, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to that. But unfortunately, it took me 3 weeks to get them. Now, I do understand because they came from the UK when I checked the tracking. Well, first off, I got them from Go. And then I checked the tracking once they finally shipped them, and it said it was coming from the UK. So I was like, okay, my first time ever doing stuff like that or getting shoe from over there like that. So I didn't really know what was up. They had to sit through customs for like almost a whole week, and then they finally shipped to Georgia. And when they finally got to Georgia, they got to my local post office, and they sat for like almost 5 days too. So I'm like, bro, come on, bro. So needless to say, they finally showed up at my doorstep today, man. So with that being said, let's get it. Now, like I said, these did release on my birthday, but I ordered off of Go because when they released, they didn't release on the Nike app. You know what I'm saying? They did release locally, but I was out of town my birthday weekend, so I wasn't able to go to Wish and pick these up. So yeah, that led me to Go. So yeah, bro, needless to say, man, I was gonna pay retail or resale regardless. It ain't matter because I really wanted these shoes, bro. So yeah, man, I ain't gonna talk too long. Here go the packaging and stuff inside the box. What's in the box? Y'all gonna oh yeah, this is amazing, bro. Look at the packaging, man. Here we go. Y'all know what this is, man. Y'all know what time it, come on, bro. Trying to get the glare out. There we go. Yeah, man, y'all know what time it is, bro. Thumbnail.
Another one.
Yeah, man, y'all know what time it is. We the best. You feel me? Hey, look, man, I love packaging like this, bro. It makes it feel so much specialer. Whoa. What? That is not a word. But it makes it that much special. You feel me? Yeah, bro, ever since I seen pictures of the like the full pack, I liked all of them. I'm not gonna lie, I liked all of them, but it was one in particular that really stuck out to me. You know what I'm saying? And surprisingly, it was one of the general release pairs. So I was like, yes. I thought this was gonna be like a limited one. Like it was only gonna be for family and friends, but turns out it was for GR. So yeah, man. But yeah, y'all see the packaging, man. Very, very nice, man. It just screams like late 90s. Well, not late 90s, but early 90s, 80s, you feel me? Like it just screams that, bro. And I just love this little like cover right here. So let's go ahead and slide that on off right here. I've seen countless videos of these shoes, man. That's how bad I really wanted them to finally show up on my doorstep. And yeah, finally they showed up. So yeah, man, here we go. Size 12. Y'all probably seen videos of these already, so I ain't gonna do no long intro and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and move all this stuff out the way. You know what I'm saying? I got too much going on right here. I got cups over here and stuff. Golly. Yeah, okay. Here goes the little goat thing right here. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, they smell good. Okay. Yeah. But yes, bro, I see him like peeking at me like, hey, how you doing? Yes, bro. Oh, bro. Okay. Here go the other little goat card. Oh my God, bro. Oh wow. Okay, here we go. We have the Air Jordan 1. Whoa. Sorry, Khaled.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
We have the Air Jordan 5 Sale. We the best. Y'all see that on the back, man. Look at this colorway, bro. These are so fire. Oh my goodness, bro. And the buttery leather. Oh my God, it's so soft. My leather's so soft. Top so soft. Probably have it all. And I go so hard, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Lil Wayne, man. But yeah, bro, here we go, man. Here we go. Another look, man, bro. Like I said, when I first seen pictures of these, man, this colorway stood out the most to me, man. It's very simple. I'm a very like simple, not too flashy kind of guy, you know what I'm saying? So these really like connected with me on a spiritual, personal level, you know what I'm saying? Like, it was meant for me to have these, you know what I'm saying? And I finally got them in my possession, bro. Like, these are so clean. This was one of the pairs that I was waiting for, so I can go ahead and do my top 10 sneaker pickups of the year, because you can definitely count on it that these are gonna be on my top 10 for sure. I don't know where they're gonna rank yet, but just know they in that thing for sure. Yeah, bro, I'm just looking at the shoe, bro. This is just an amazing colorway, man. Like, just like I said, I love early 90s, late 80s colors and stuff like that. And this just screamed it as soon as I seen pictures of them, bro. Like, as soon as I seen pictures of these, bro, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta have these, bro. I don't care if I don't get none of the other colorways, I gotta get these in my hands, bro. I'm not gonna make no long video at all. I just wanted to show y'all. Now, if I would've got these like last week at least, I would've went more in depth, but y'all pretty much already seen videos of these already, bro. So I'm not gonna waste no time. I'm just looking at the craftsmanship of the shoe, man. Very nice. My pair is very clean. Yeah, bro. These are nice, man. And we got the extra laces too. Extra laces is always a nice touch, but I don't know, I'm really leaning towards staying with the sail laces in these, or I may throw these in here, the yellow motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? My bad, children, YouTube, I ain't mean to say that. But anyway, yeah, bro, these are nice, bro. Like, I can't stop looking at these, man. Like, I'm so glad I made this decision to go ahead and get these. And this leather is so, look at that leather. Look at that leather. Oh my God, look at that. Hey, it's so soft. And I love the fact that they went with a more like slick look with the ankle collar right here. Cause y'all know it's like more so like bulky on the top ankle area, but they kind of like slimmed it down. I like it, bro. Like I said, definitely going in my top 10. I don't care what nobody say. I feel like this is, besides the crimson pair, a lot of people talk down on the crimson pair like that, like they're trash. They're not trash at all. I just really prefer these over them. But I do like the crimson pair. They're nice. They're definitely nice, man. But yeah, these just smashing all of the colorways. I ain't gonna lie, bro. These just smashing all the colorways, bro. But yeah, man, that is it. I didn't want to make this no long video. Just wanted to go ahead and show y'all the shoe that I finally did get them in. But yeah, man, let me know how y'all feel about these in the comments down below. Do you like them? If you had a chance to get them, did you cop? Or did you drop? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, man, with that being said, if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button. Once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good vibes only, 454. My clothing brand, go ahead and check it out at gvo454.com. Follow the IG, Good Vibes Only 454. For more updates and info on the new collection that's gonna be dropping early 2023. You'll feel me. Bars. But yeah, man, that is it. I love the little details right here. You know what I'm saying? Got the We the Best on the inside, man. Very nice. Yeah, bro. Chef's kiss. But yeah, bro, like I said, let me know how y'all feel about these in the comments down below, man. Definitely, like I said, top 10 worthy out of all the pickups that I copped this year, man. Definitely top 10 worthy for sure, man. Regardless of what anybody say. And I want to let that be known too. If you like a shoe, no matter what the masses are saying about it, whether they calling it trash or not, get the shoe if you like it. You know what I'm saying? If you like it, get it. You know what I'm saying? But that is it. Message from me to you. But yeah, man, with that being said, it's your boy, natejustdope, signing out. Deuces.
I'm off this thing.
I couldn't get a bill paid. You couldn't buy the real